When I started my freelance makeup business in Las Vegas, I spent a lot of time and money trying to figure out how to be a professional makeup artist and how to market myself in the industry. If I wanted to learn more, options were very limited and mostly cosmetology-oriented and very expensive. Almost 6 years later, I've noticed that not much has changed in Las Vegas. There is no place where a beginner makeup artist can come and learn from, get advanced with their artistry, ask questions, take a short course or class, and just get certified in industry without spending tens of thousands of dollars and months of their time. My vision was to create a place where no one will ever be excluded, where you will be able to choose between makeup programs, classes, and workshops that fit your needs and your budget. This is why Glam Sophisticated Makeup Academy was born. I'm so proud to bring my makeup academy to the heart of Las Vegas, Town Square. My name is Nikolina Tepovac-Ivanova. I'm the founder and lead educator at Glam Sophisticated Makeup Academy. I graduated from the beauty school to become an esthetician, but fell in love with makeup and the glamorous side of the beauty world. For almost 6 years, I have been professionally catering to events such as TV, commercial, bridal parties, bachelorette parties, and red carpet events. My mission is to create a community of artists in Las Vegas through makeup classes, workshops, and events, to share my knowledge and my experience and help all up-and-coming makeup artists succeed. Glam Sophisticated Makeup Academy is licensed to operate a private post-secondary educational institution in the state of Nevada by the Nevada Commission on Post-Secondary Education. Here at Glam Sophisticated Makeup Academy, we have 4 tiers of makeup programs, classes, and workshops, and each is perfectly designed to fit a different need and a different budget. The core of our Glam Sophisticated Makeup Academy is our 40-hour semi-private professional makeup artistry and business program. After completing the course curriculum, you will receive our certificate that recognizes you as a certified makeup artist with mastery in professional makeup. Through this program, we offer an educational curriculum that teaches you how to professionally apply makeup to others by practicing on live models, teaches you different styles and techniques of makeup, such as natural makeup, glamorous, and bridal, basics of sanitation, as well as how to build your professional makeup kit and how to use your makeup brushes and tools, and also branding, business, social media, and marketing skills. A full makeup kit and a book are included with this course. Second tier of our classes is our one-on-one 3-day makeup course, which is perfect for somebody who wants to get advanced with their makeup artistry, who wants to learn new business skills, or just learn how to do your own makeup. This course is fully customizable and you pretty much learn the topic you want to learn, since you will be the only one in the class. All the tools and products will be provided for you to use. We also offer private one-on-one makeup classes for that more personalized experience. If you want to just learn how to do your own makeup, or maybe just ask questions and get product recommendations. Besides classes, we will be offering monthly makeup workshops for all the professionals in the industry, as well as anyone just wanting to learn how to do their own makeup. I have teamed up with a local vegan beauty brand, MOTD Cosmetics, to bring you Beauty and Rise, a monthly beauty workshop with a purpose to educate, motivate, and empower every beauty lover, as well as anyone just wanting to learn how to easily do their own makeup in the morning. Our mission is to share our knowledge and our experience about the beauty industry and about entrepreneurship, and most importantly, to show that collaboration always beats competition. Our professional makeup artistry and business program starts with a new group of students every Monday through Saturday, and our other classes are by appointment only. To schedule a tour or sign up to our classes, call or email us today. We would love for you to join us.